Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Just making a very quick preview video. This arrived yesterday. I've not opened it yet. I was so excited I thought I'd do an unpacking video and also create a little preview for the installation video I'll do at the weekend. Get this open. It's an imported item. It always says it's going to be good. Japanese or USA. I want to make sure I don't damage anything. Can't remember where it comes from actually. It was an eBay purchase. Decided that the Forester deserved a present. Let's move the packaging, part of my OCD. Oh, excited about this. I'm sure many people know what this is going to be. So, my gear knob, I've got a bit of I like everything to be perfect. So, steering wheel, gear knob, the handbrake, the end, the gate, the lever, cover, everything. So, the prices for the standard STI 6-speed replacement gear knob is just crackers. And I've read on the forum, or seen people putting images on the forum of this particular gear knob, and with a tidy retrimmed royal steering wheels, genuine steering wheel, and one of these gear knobs, it looks nice. It looks nice. So this is the genuine Subaru 6-speed duracon STI gear knob. So my idea is, because I like everything to be OEM, my idea is, or OEM plus, so my idea is that I'm going to put this into the Forester, and this will be my daily gear knob. And then when I get my retrimmed steering wheel from Royal Steering Wheels, I will also get them to trim the old STI gear knob, and that will go back in this box, so that if I ever sell the car, I can put the standard gear knob back on. And in the meantime, I will continue to use this one. So that's what you get in the box. The sticker that you put on afterwards. Obviously, get this on nice and tight, fitted up how you want it. Then apply that nice and straight. And I will do installation, what it feels like in the hand, what the weight difference is like. This one in comparison to the existing STI leather one, and I'll show what it looks like in the car and just give a brief overview of fitting, feel, quality, etc, etc, etc. Right, thanks for watching, and video of this will be up over the weekend. Take care everyone, bye bye.